Assalamualaikum, my name is Widi Mutakin. I am the CEO of Expose 3D and also a lecturer in Presiden University in LaSalle College International here in Jakarta, Indonesia. My main focus is in computer graphic disciplines. I teach 3D and 2D animations, web designs, motion graphic, game development, and other computer graphic related disciplines. In my journey of running Expose 3D since 2003, I have created thousands of images like this. I also have worked with clients across the globe in the architectural industry. I have clients in almost every continent exists in the world. Long story short, I am both an experienced professional and also an academic expert in the field of computer graphic. Okay, on to the big question. What will you get from this course? In this online course, we're going to cover the essential stuff of using 3ds Max and then move on to the more advanced stuff. So, if you never used 3ds Max before, this course is designed for you. We will start in learning the 3ds Max user interface, how to navigate the viewport, creating and manipulating objects in terms of transformation and deformation using modifier. We're going to learn the difference between primitive versus editable objects. We're going to reveal the important concepts of 3D software in general and those that are specific to 3ds Max. After learning the essentials, we're going to move forward to 3D modeling techniques. The first technique we're going to learn is polygon-based modeling techniques. We're going to use norms and understanding the norms behavior. After that, we're going to create some objects to practice the techniques. After mastering the polygon-based modeling, we're going to move on to spline-based modeling. We're going to reveal the Bezier handle concept in spline editing, how we can use modifiers to convert spline into geometry, modifiers such as extrude, bevel profile, lathe, etc. After we understand the basic concept, we're going to create several 3D objects using spline-based modeling techniques we discussed before. After we master the two main groups of modeling techniques, we're going to apply them into modeling an interior scene from scratch. We're going to start modeling from the main room model, the floor, the wall, the ceiling, the window, etc. After that, we're going to move on to fixed furniture such as TV cabinet, then the loose furniture such as sofa, the coffee table, and so forth. After modeling, we're going to learn about the basic concept of material, texture, UV mapping, and lighting using a new GI renderer engine called Corona. You might be asking, why use Corona renderer? Well, the short answer is that Corona renderer is amazing. It is super easy for anyone to start learning. The price tag is not expensive, yet the rendering speed and the quality of it is just fantastic. We are going to create every material in our project scene one by one. Then we add lights into it, and after rendering, we're going to discuss some post-processing techniques with Photoshop. We're going to add background and some glow effects and other stuff in Photoshop. This is the image of our final project, and I will guarantee, inshallah, that you'll be able to create this image if you follow all of the lessons in this course step by step. Besides access to lesson videos, you will also get project files in 3ds Max 2015 format and all the related files such as textures and Photoshop file. That is all from me. I hope this online course will be beneficial for you. Wassalamualaikum.